Okay, guys, there are some places where you can actually spot out a good trading opportunity on your chart. Okay, each time you open up your chart and you see the trend going, there are some places if you are confused or probably you don't know where to jump into the trade, there are some places which you can actually spot out and try to see and jump into it, and I will be showing you those places right here. So this is actually bringing us to a topic which we will be looking at today, which is the breakout strategy. Okay, someone actually asked me a question that can I explain how the breakout strategy work. Okay, and of course in this video we will be checking out the breakout strategy and how we can put it into use, because the breakout strategy really works and it can also help us to make some good profit whenever we are trading. So, guys, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, the breakout strategy can also help you to make use of the trend trading strategy very well. And breakout strategy actually works in different ways, and all these will be explained today. Okay, you can make use of the breakout strategy to know your entry point. You can make use of the breakout strategy to know how to trade for, how long you're going to trade. You can make use of breakout strategy to scalp for a few minutes or probably for a few period of time. Okay, and you can also make use of it to trade on higher time frame for a very long period of time. Okay, so breakout strategy can also be used for confirmation for a particular trade. So you can see that there are a lot of opportunities with breakout strategy. What does breakout strategy really means? Okay, it means that there is a breakout from a particular region, and once that happens, then definitely it's going to go in that direction for a while. Okay, so now let's see how we can identify breakout strategy. So before you can say there will be a breakout strategy, okay, for instance, let's look at this. Sorry, let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, can you all see this? Okay, this actually switched into an uptrend at this support zone. Okay, it went up, but check out something. Okay, it got to this resistance zone and was around there for a while. Okay, so you can quickly do something here. So you highlight the upper part of it. Okay, and you also highlight the lower part of it because it has been playing within the region for a while. Okay, so you highlight it. So what are you trying to do? You want to see if there is a possible entry position for you around there. So all you are looking for is a breakout. Okay, will it break out below the lower part of the channel because it has been playing in between this channel for a while, or will it break out above the upper part of the channel? In this situation, it breaks out above it, and that gives you an opportunity to buy more. So you come in somewhere here. Sorry, let me use this. You come in somewhere here. Okay, after the breakout to buy. Okay, so that is it. So you can see it gives you an opportunity to buy more. Okay, now let's see more breakout strategy. Okay, so right here is also another breakout. Um, so we have this get into this region. Okay, so you mark it out. So breakout usually happen around the channels, the support zone, the resistance zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. Then you mark this out too. Okay. So you mark this out too. So if it had broken out below it, then it's going to sell. But this time around, it broke out above it, okay, and it kept on buying. Then there are other ways of knowing breakouts. You can see this has been buying and buying, and it got to this resistance zone. Of course, right from this resistance zone, you can decide to mark it out at the top right here to see if it will break out above it or break out below it. And another thing which you can also do if you want to, like I said, you can use breakout for confirmation also. If you want to know if this is really going into a downtrend, if it's going to at least sell for a while, you can also do it in this form, okay? Just try to highlight some key points. Make sure it touches some edges right there, okay? One, two, three, at least it touch multiple edges around here, okay? So even though we notice that there is a rejection at this um resistance zone, okay, but we need to be sure if it's going to sell. So immediately it breaks out below this trend line and it closes the candle, then you can place your order. So you can see it is another, I mean, it can also be used for confirmation of trade, okay? So it can be used for confirmation of trade, it can be used for confirmation of trend, okay? So it shows that this is actually switching into a downtrend, and check it out, it sold till it got to this region, okay? So right now we also have something here, okay? So you can see this, okay, because it has been playing within this region. So you mark out these two. I'm going to do it, put it in this form. Okay, this is another way. So if you should notice, this has been playing in between this channel. So you can see it goes up, comes down. I mean, it goes up, then come down, goes up, down, up, down. Okay, so if it should break out below it, which is what I am actually expecting from here, if it should break out below it, then it's going to sell more. If it should break, if it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. Okay, so these are different ways of using the breakout strategy. It is very easy to use. So, like I said, you can use it for confirmation of some trades, okay? And of course, you can use it for confirmation. Now, let's also check it out on higher time frame, because I told you that you can use it to trade on higher time frame for a very long time, okay? For instance, this has been on downtrend for long. If you should notice, it got to the support zone, try to buy, but it didn't go too far before going back down. Try to buy here again, but it didn't go too far before going back down. Okay, so what do you need to do? Because it got to another support zone at this point, okay, and it's trying to buy also. How do we know if this is going to buy? Okay, that does not mean this is how it's going to be working all the time, but in most cases it will work. Okay, so all you just need to do is just for you to draw out your trend line and see if there will be a breakout above it before you jump into the trade. And there is a breakout, allow the candle to close and open a new candle, so you can see this can be your entry point. Okay, and if you should notice how it works, you will notice that my indicator is also giving us a buy signal at that point, and of course an uptrend signal at that point. Okay, so this will give you an opportunity to buy. So if you now decide to come in at this point, then definitely see the profits you will be making. This is on 1 hour time frame, so this is huge. The same thing is applicable to this. If you had drawn your trend line around here, you would have given it will have given you a confirmation from this breakout that it's going to sell. It's so till this region, even though it is pulling back around there, playing around there. So we have drawn the line for breakout also. So we are expecting it to break out below this so that it can sell more. Okay, but if it should break out above it, then it's going to buy more. So this is how a breakout trading strategy can work. Okay, and you guys can take advantage of it right from there. So, guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.